saved for Justin. Put your hand together for the gorgeous Disha Patni. So happy to have one more Bieber fan join our gang here. So happy. So tell us about your look today from what you're wearing today.
So I'm wearing special edition only for Bieber, and I have this cool T-shirt with Justin Bieber on it, and nice pair of jeans. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing.
So how excited are you that Justin Bieber is coming to India?
I'm so excited. I am always dancing on his songs, and I have literally grown up like listening to his song and dancing to his songs. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to see. I've never seen a concert in my life. It's very weird, I know. So I'm literally waiting for the concert to come, and I can just wear my cool T-shirt and go and scream for him.
So isn't it cool what Only is doing for fans to catch up with Justin Bieber and watch him live?
That's amazing, and it's a very great way to show you support him and you love him, because sometimes just being there is not enough. You have to be louder, and you have to like show in some or the other way that, see, I really love you. So yeah.
So what do you think about this karaoke booth that Only has done?
It's really cool. So the deal is that you have to make a video where you're singing your favorite song of Justin Bieber, and you can also send a video from house, right? And the video with maximum likes, that you have to upload the video on the side, and the video with the maximum like will get a chance to get one of the free tickets, and we have 100 tickets, free 100 tickets for the concert. So yeah, that's really cool. So make a video now and sing your favorite song so you can go to Justin Bieber's concert.
Go to your closest Only store and go to the karaoke. Get your friends involved. So now that Justin Bieber is coming to Amchi, Mumbai, I have a small rapid fire round with you. So are you ready?
I'm never ready. I don't like rapid fires. Okay,
It's
but
easy,
yeah.
it's easy. It's
Okay.
not very hard.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you had a chance to take Justin Bieber to one place in Mumbai, which would it be?
Mm, I like Carter's Road. I like Town. I think Town. I really like Kolaba. I think that's very different and the very Bombay feel. So I think I would take him there.
So if you had to take Justin Bieber on a date, where would you take him?
Nobody should know about it. I think some good food place, some nice place where you can eat some great food, especially Indian food.
So what Indian food would you want Justin Bieber to eat?
I actually want him to try like pani puri and all, and let's see how he reacts. Because for people who are not from India, it's actually little different kind of thing, like water and everything mixed, and it's like a different taste. So I want to see his reaction. I want to click a picture of him like eating pani puri and like taking his reaction.
I'm so sure all of us want to know where you go on a date with him and what you do, for sure. And really hoping that it happens one day.
I really hope. Let's see.
So, what was your favorite outfit from the collection that Only has for Only into Justin Bieber?
I think what I'm wearing right now, I really love. It's very casual, very edgy, very comfortable. I think this is something I would love to wear for a concert, because I want to dance, I want to sing, I want to like do whatever. So I really need to be comfortable. So I love this.
That's great, and you look stunning today in
Thank
this
you.
limited edition collection.
Same to you.
So, moving on, if you could kill, marry, or hook up with Bieber, which one would you pick?
I have to choose one.
Yeah.
Can't I just go for one date? I'll choose going for a date with him.
So
Just
is
to
that
know
a
him.
hookup?
For a day, yeah. For a date.
That sounds interesting.
She's looking at me. Ah, no.
It's
Just
Justin
one.
Bieber after all.
Yeah, I would want to know him, and I would want him to sing for me so I can dance.
Oh, that's like couple goals.
Yeah.
So, talking about the amazing only karaoke booths, tell us which is your favorite Bieber song?
I like Sorry. Is it too late now to say? I like all the songs, but I think Sorry is one track I've danced the most because it's very dancey and very groovy. So I really like it.
That's great. Like that is one of everyone's favorite
Yeah,
songs.
that is the thing, especially for girls. I guess.
Absolutely. So, Bieber coming to Mumbai, and we definitely want to give him a taste of our own very Bollywood. So, tell us if you had to imagine one iconic Bollywood movie for the both of y'all, you and Bieber, what would it be?
DDLJ. That's the most iconic in Bollywood film, I guess. Imagine me running and like Bieber.
Yeah, like instead of
So
the,
dramatic.
he'll be with the guitar in the Sarson
Yeah,
Ka
he can
Khet.
also sing. Yeah, great. Sarson ka Khet Bieber. Is it too late now to say sorry?
Oh, it fits perfect. Instead of Ja Simran Ja, it'll be Ja Disha Ja.
Ja disha ja.
So, being such fans of Bieber's voice and Bieber, tell us which Hindi Bollywood song would you want Bieber to sing for you?
I really like Chammak Challo, and I know someone has sang it already, but
Ek aur.
I would really want him to sing that song. It's a very like catchy Chammak Challo, so I would want him to sing the song for me.
That's amazing. I can totally imagine both of you all dancing on it already. So, last one to end this fun segment, show us one of the dance steps that you want to teach Bieber, a Disha special.
For people who are not so familiar with Bollywood, I think this one is very difficult.
The
And
Indian head
I
nod.
thought for us it's like everyday thing and doing this. But I feel I would want Justin to do this and try and how he feels so weird about this step.
I really hope that you could one day teach him how to do this and we could like take a nice picture together.
Yeah.
So this was cool. So thank you so much for
Thank
being
you,
a sport
thank
with
you.
your crazy answers. And now we should allow media to ask questions to Disha.
दिशा हाय ऑन योर
Hi, hi.
तो जब जब जस्टिन बीबर की बात होती है तो क्या कुछ दिमाग में आता है आपके अगर कुछ बताना चाहें
Dance.
डांस
डांस आई लव डांसिंग तो उनके गाने काफ़ी ग्रूवी रहते हैं यूजुअली एंड काफ़ी डांसी रहते हैं तो मैंने काफ़ी सॉन्ग्स में डांस किया है एंड जब मैं डांस प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ आई ऑलवेज पुट ऑन जस्टिन सॉन्ग सो या दैट्स व्हाट आई
क्योंकि उन्होंने
Think.
बहुत सारे गाने गाए तो आपको उनके कौन कौन से गाने उनको बहुत ही पसंद
सारे फ्रॉम बेबी आई रिमेंबर जब मैं स्कूल में थी बेबी आया था नया नया एंड जस्टिन वॉज ऑल्सो सो यंग सो फ्रॉम बेबी टिल नाउ सॉरी व्हाट डू यू मीन सारे सॉन्ग्स ही इज़ अमेजिंग ही इज़ वेरी गुड विद म्यूजिक
दिशा क्योंकि बहुत सारी लड़कियों की ऐसी थिंकिंग है बहुत सारी लड़कियां ऐसा मानती है कि उनका जो लाइफ पार्टनर होना चाहिए वो जस्टिन की तरह होना चाहिए आप भी इस तरह की थिंकिंग रखती हैं इस तरह का बिलीव करती हैं आप
लाइफ पार्टनर भी नहीं जाऊंगी अभी मैं वो काफ़ी दूर की सोच है बट एज अ फ़ैन आई एम हिज फ़ैन फॉर श्योर एंड काफ़ी कनेक्ट कर पाती हूँ बिकॉज डांस करती हूँ एंड वो म्यूज़िक बनाते हैं सो उस चीज़ को काफ़ी अप्रिशिएट करती हूँ थैंक
Hi,
यू
Disha.
हाय
I'm Pooja from Bollywood.
हाय
Times.
हाय
And आपकी फिल्म थी धोनी. अभी आईपीएल को आप कितना फॉलो कर रही हैं और धोनी की टीम को आप कितना फॉलो कर रही हैं?
एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई जस्ट केम बैक फ्रॉम समवेयर एंड ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे आई एम ट्रैवलिंग बट आई डू ट्राई जितना मैं देख सकती हूँ मैचेस परफॉर्मेंस के बाद ज़्यादा हो नहीं पाया बट या नॉट सो मच
हमने ये भी सुना है कि आप एक कमर्शियल शूट करने वाली है विराट कोहली के साथ, तो आपको लग रहा है कि आपका क्रिकेट के साथ कुछ ज़्यादा ही कनेक्शन है? पहले आपने धोनी फिल्म किया, अब आप विराट कोहली के साथ
कुछ
shoot
तो
कर रहे हैं।
कनेक्शन है. I don't know.
How much excited are you to shoot with?
I actually don't know if I'm shooting with him. That I don't know right now. वो creative call that I have no idea about that.
Can we please stick to brand-related questions and questions related to why we're all here today?
दिशा
And no personal questions, please.
दिशा
Yeah,
जस्टिन
hi.
का शो है तो आप गाना गाते हैं, आपने बोला डांस पसंद है, लेकिन कुछ गाना अगर 2 लाइन गुनगुना दे और उनके गाने पर कुछ 2 स्टेप अगर कर दें, क्योंकि आप
मुझे
hills
ये
पे-
जानना है, हर किसी को ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि सारी लड़कियां गा सकती है?
क्योंकि
मैं
वो-
शायद अकेली लड़की हूँ जो नहीं गा सकती हूँ.
क्योंकि
I'm
लड़कियां सरस्वती होती है, लक्ष्मी होती है.
मैं so लड़के क्या होते हैं? कृष्ण कन्हैया.
लड़के कन्हैया होते हैं.
ये आपकी
तो-
स्टेटमेंट है.
तो दिशा दो स्टेप अगर कर दें तो आप प्लीज.
सॉरी हील्स पहना है वरना पक्का डांस करती हूँ. एक्चुअली आई डोंट माइंड डांसिंग इफ समवन डांसेस विद मी. If someone dances with me, I will dance. So whomsoever wants to dance will dance here. All of us. Come. We'll dance here. Come, honey. Come. Boys, Krishna Kanayas.
We need a Justin
Where are the
Bieber.
Krishna Kanayas? Come. We need guys, man. Boys, come on. I see 2 boys fighting. Come. Come on. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank
Thank
you.
you, everyone. So that's it.